Well, this has definitely been a labor of love for sure, but we're coming into the home stretch. We're going to be pouring the driveway today, and they're just doing a few last minute touches, shoring up the backs of the form boards, grading everything to exactly 6 inches because the concrete is going to be 6 inches in the driveway as well as the pad inside of the garage, and there's going to be a curve to it over top of the culvert pipe. So they're just getting everything ready in preparation for the first truck to arrive. A foam expansion strip is put into place against the existing concrete, and the new concrete will butt up against that. The top half-inch pulls off at a perforation so it can be caulked later. Before they begin to pour the entire slab, they test a sample of the concrete just to make sure it has the right amount of water in it, because too much water, although making it easy to work, will make it much weaker.
No fight in there.
This thing is called a power screed and makes large pieces of flat work a lot easier to do. Although it was not a requirement, the contractor put in 2 lengths of parallel 3/4 inch rebar with the ends turned up into the corners to give extra strength to the apron.
I got 8 foot around me, still within my 8 foot area.
Well, 27 cubic yards later, the driveway is finally done. It's 30 feet wide and comes down about 40 feet, and then it has to curve in a little bit over top of the culvert pipe because there has to be about 6 feet on either side where we're going to put sod. So everything is about done now, and next step is going to be doing some finish grading, putting down sod, and then closing out the permit. And then once that's done, I'll be putting electric in.